Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 6 and we are going to do science today, that is the chapter Getting to Know Plants. Plants के बारे में आइए कुछ जानते हैं. Before that I would like to say subscribe, like and share करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. और इससे पहले वाली क्लास में we have done what are the different parts of the plant. We have read the different parts of the plant in our earlier class, that is root, stem, branches, seed, leaves, bud and what flowers. So these are the different parts of the plant. और अगर हम बात करें तो उसको हमने दो पार्ट्स में कैटेगराइज भी किया था, that is root system that is below the ground and shoot system that is above the ground. Yes. Now let's come to, and one more thing we have discussed, that is the types of plants. We have discussed these three types of plant: herbs, shrubs and trees. But today in this class we will study more about this. There are other types of plants also. Means ये थ्री कैटेगरीज के अंदर जो लाई नहीं करते वो और भी दो कैटेगरीज हैं जिसके अंदर कुछ प्लांट्स लाई करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव सीन मनी प्लांट आपने देखा होगा, क्या वो अपराइट स्टैंड कर पाता है अगर उसको किसी का सपोर्ट नहीं दिया जाए? नो, इट नीड सपोर्ट ऑफ समथिंग टू ग्रो. ओके, मीन्स इट नीड सपोर्ट टू क्लाइंब. वो क्या करता है, वो उसका स्टेम इतना वीक होता है कि वो नीचे या तो नीचे लाई करेगा, अदरवाइज जैसे उसको एक सपोर्ट मिलेगा तो वो ऊपर की तरफ जाना शुरू करेगा. मीन्स इट इज हैविंग सम व्हाट लाइक टेंड्रिल्स, जिसकी हेल्प से, उसमें टेंड्रिल्स होता है जिसका अगर कोई सपोर्ट उसको मिलता है वो टेंड्रिल वहां पे वो फंसा के और फिर उसके ऊपर चढ़ने लगता है. सो they climb to grow. Okay, so that type of plant which is having very weak stem and they climb, they take support to climb. Okay, to climb for its growth, that are known as climbers. उनको हम बोलते हैं climbers. For example, we are having money plant. Okay, and other peas आप कह सकते हो, beans, stalk. These all are coming under climbers. Let's come to creepers. Creepers क्या होते हैं? Creep करना means it is also having very weak stem. इसका भी stem बहुत ज्यादा weak होता है, इतना weak होता है कि वो सीधा खड़ा नहीं होता. तो उसके लिए वो क्या करता है, वो ground पे ही अपने आप को फैलाना शुरू कर देता है. It starts spreading on the ground. It starts spreading. ये spread होता है. It starts spreading on the ground. ये ग्राउंड में स्प्रेड हो जाता है और फिर ग्रो करता है वो. एंड ये क्लाइंबर्स क्या करते हैं? क्लाइम करते हैं. क्लाइंबर्स क्लाइम, इसलिए हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं? प्लांट्स दैट क्लाइम फॉर इट्स ग्रोथ, दे आर नोन एज क्लाइंबर्स. वाइल whereas this creepers, they creep on the ground, they spread themselves on the ground. Okay, and they are known as what? Creepers. For example, आपने देखा होगा वाटरमेलन, आपको सबको पसंद है. वाटरमेलन किस टाइप का प्लांट है? ना तो वो हर्ब है, ना श्रब है, ना ट्री है. इट इज कमिंग अंडर कैटेगरी ऑफ क्रीपर्स. ओके, ये बहुत ज्यादा हैवी होता है इसलिए वो क्लाइम नहीं कर पाता, बट इट स्प्रेड ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो चिल्ड्रेन, आई थिंक दीज टाइप्स आर क्लियर टू यू. हर्ब, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. Let's come to the next one. So children, here I concluded this. Climbers are the plants that have weak stem that take support of neighboring plant or support to climb up. They need support to climb up. They are known as climbers. And the examples are pea, money plant, etc. Let's come to another one, that are creepers. These are the plants that have weak stem and spread on the ground and cannot stand upright. That examples are gourd and watermelon. So let's come to the next term, that is plants are of different types on the basis of what we can say, on the basis of their life cycle. On the basis of their life cycle, just now you'll see here. See children, here is on the basis of life cycle we can classify plant on the basis of life cycle, we can classify it in three types. Okay, first is annual plants, second is biennial plants, and third one is perennial plants. Okay, one by one, I'll tell you all the three. Let's see the very first, annual plants. Let's come to annual plants first. Look here, children. Here we are at the very first type of plant on the basis of life cycle. The first one is annual plants. अब annual plants, annual exams जब हम बात करते हैं, साल में जो एक बार होता है फाइनल एग्जाम है ना, पूरे सीजन का एक एग्जाम जिसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में जाते हैं, मीन्स एनुअल मीन्स द कंप्लीट वन सेशन. So here is annual plants. Annual plants are those plants whose life cycle from seed germination to fruit formation. Seed germination, हमने बीज बोया and वो complete हुआ, fruit बना, in that is completed in one season. पूरा उसको एक सीजन लगता है. Seed germination to fruit formation तक एक सीजन उसको पूरा लगता है. That are known as annual plants. Generally, herbs are coming under this category of plants. Okay, and the examples we are having wheat, पूरे साल में एक बार होता है, paddy, मूंग and gram. These are the annual plants. Okay, let's come to the next one, that is biennial plants. Before that, I would like to say कि annual plants आप mind में रखेंगे जो जिसका seed germination to fruit formation, one season, completed one season. Okay, let's come to the second one. See children, here is your second type of plant, that is biennial. Biennial plants are those plants whose life cycle requires 2 seasons, means 2 years, 2 seasons it require for completion. In the very first season, its vegetation parts grow. उसका vegetation part grow करता है, that is the leaves and all that vegetative plant part grow करता है, and in second season it produce flowers and fruit. ठीक है, it produces flowers and fruit. So children, here you can see the examples are carrot, radish, potato. Its vegetative part first grow and then after it produces flowers and fruits. So in this way, बहुत ज़्यादा detail में हम नहीं जाएंगे. In further classes, you will read in detail all that type of plants. Let's come to the third one, that is perennial. See children, the third type of plant is perennial. Perennial plants are those whose life cycle runs for more than 2 seasons. So firstly, you have read about the annual, 1 season, biennial, 2 season, and the last one is perennial, means that lasts for more than 2 seasons. For example, we can take neem tree. All the trees are coming under this category. In the second one, biennial में हमारे herbs भी आ जाते हैं कुछ, and shrubs are also coming under that. And the very first was that annual plants. तो annual में सिर्फ हमारे herbs आते हैं. So in this way we can categorize this as well as we can differentiate it. Okay, तो मिलते हैं बच्चों अपनी next video में with the next new topic. That we will, in the next one, I'll tell you about different parts of the plant, and the very first, that is root. Okay, root के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, root system के बारे में, about its functions, okay, and its types. So till then, goodbye children. Thank you and have a nice day.